Hey guys, and welcome back. We here at CHENG'S Aqua are right now on the move. We are going to go ahead and pick up some free aquariums. Now, if you recently saw, and if you're here, you probably recently saw my last video, which was picking up a bunch of fish. Crazy fish, stingrays, discus, geophagus, eels, etc. All these freshwater fish. But I didn't have the space for it technically. Realizing that I didn't have the space for it because the tank that I had in there wasn't ready for stingrays, due to the fact that I had a lot of snails and I was worried about them actually choking on the snails and eating them, or trying to eat them and choking them. So what I ended up doing was resetting the entire aquarium, and right now it's being dried out from the bleach, etc., waiting for that to be ready. So while I'm waiting for that, I was on Facebook, I was on Craigslist, and I saw that someone was giving away free aquariums. So what they're giving away is what I believe a 40-gallon breeder, a 55-gallon, and a 10-gallon. Now, the 40-gallon breeder, they technically marked it as a 50-gallon. I believe he just has the dimensions wrong, or the gallons wrong. But when I see him, I guess I'll definitely for sure. But they're free, so regardless, I want to expand my fish room, or bring down my fish room all into one place. So I'm gonna need new aquariums. So, spoiler alert, I'm gonna be doing a bunch of and redoing the system that I just put upstairs. Yeah, I'm spending money and wasting time, but it's just to be a little more organized. And you know what? I don't mind building it. It is stressful during the time, but after that, it's nice to be able to see what you've created. But anyway, so yeah, I will probably be able to reuse the aquariums if not, and it's only 15 minutes away from me. But again, I want to mention, these are free. You get 3 aquariums for free. I mean, if you were buying at the pet store, there would be at least $100 each for the 50 gallons. And then plus the 10 gallon, which is I think only $20 now. But yeah, you don't have to always spend money. I mean, granted, it's not brand new, it's not shiny and sparkly and etc. They are used. You are going to have to clean them. You're going to have to make sure that, no infectious diseases or anything like that. And you're going to put some elbow grease because they're probably not very clear. So, but they're free, so yep. Anyway, I'm taking you guys with me to go and pick these guys up. I get 15 minutes out, and I'll show you guys when we get there. So I'm on the way back right now. I was right, it is a 40-gallon breeder. It's a 55-gallon, a 40-gallon, and a 10-gallon aquarium, and I ended up fitting it in my trunk. They also give me a light and a cover for one of the aquariums, as well as, what else they give me? Oh, some type of decor, like a ship. But yeah, I'm pretty much not going to use the light. It's an old aquarium light. I actually like shop lights better at this point. Not even the shop lights. I think there were some LED lights I made a video on, which are great. I love them. They are light, they are eco-friendly, and they work well for the aquarium. So did a review on that, and I showed you guys setting it up, so definitely check that video out. But anyway, we're on the way back right now, and I'll show you guys when I get back. So here are the 2 aquariums. This is an old 40-gallon breeder, extremely heavy. I mean, this glass is super thick. They don't make them like this anymore. And here is the 55-gallon I was talking about. Looks like he painted the bottom and the back black. Here's the ship light that I was mentioning as well. And yeah. So it also came with an old lid. They don't make them really like this anymore. I'll show you. Just thought that was kind of cool to show. This is the entire lid for the 40-gallon. It's a little opening, as well as 2 clear things. You can put 2 lights. I thought that was kind of cool. And also a 10-gallon aquarium. So here's the aquarium that he gave me for free. Just rinsed it out. It's a little cold outside, so that's why it's all foggy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I see you in the next video.